The star of today's video is going to be this Isuzu IS-7. I think it's a GX3. Got the little Isuzu two-cylinder engine. Got a little bucket there. It's probably a foot wide or so. Little dozer blade. Nice little Mini X. Not Chinese. It's a Japanese origin. This one's I've just finished rebuilding. And today, the project is the final drive gear oil. And let's get into it. Basically, these final drives, I think there's just some gears in there. I don't know if those are those planetary gears like a large excavator would have or whatever. But there's a thing that says level. That's the level where the fluid should be. Drain. And you just rotate your excavator till this is level. Well, I went a little lower than level, so that this one, when it overfills, will be at the thing where it says level, instead of being a little overfull maybe. If you were going to drain it, you would drain it through that one and then refill here. One recommendation, if you're going to drain it, make sure these plugs are able to come out, or else you will have a very difficult time refilling. Link in the description below. 80 weight 90 gear oil is what's recommended for this particular machine, this particular size, this particular year. Probably best to look it up in your manual to see what's recommended for yours. I have cut the nozzle fairly small, and there's a little foil seal. Take that off. Just squeezing that in there. Suddenly it'll come out. There we go. As I said it. I don't have any reason to believe that this stuff has any problems with it. Otherwise, I would have surely drained it out. And that's basically it. Return that to service. I hereby declare that final drive Wildwood certified. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I noticed some of my subscribers have fallen off the radar thanks to YouTube. I don't know how I lost about 1,000 subscribers recently, but some reset from YouTube. So make sure you are subscribed if you like to see the additional content coming up. Thanks for watching.